So to kick things off, I'd like to go through a quick walkthrough of what it is that we're going to be building. The idea here is I think if you can see what it is that we're going to make, it's going to make learning just that much more exciting and fun. So we're creating a website called Hall of Fame Vids. The basic idea here is that you can make your own personal Hall of Fame to say, you know, these are my favorite cat videos, cooking videos, whatever it is, add in those videos and then share that Hall of Fame with family and friends. So here on the homepage, we want to really entice people, you know, go create your own personal Hall of Fame. We're going to list out, you know, here's some of the most popular videos and Hall of Fames that we've seen. Like here's like some egg ones, music videos, the funniest stuff of all time. These are my top 3 favorite funny videos. So go check those out. Also, there's like a recent video. So this is people who have recently logged in and created a Hall of Fame. These are listed out here, so that's pretty neat that you can show off that as well on the homepage. You can sign up, create an account. It's going to ask for some sort of username. We'll just say new person. New person. Here we go. New person. You know what? We're just choosing a name like Randy. Okay, so Randy. Now we'll go ahead and make a password for you. Great. Now Randy has been logged in when they create a new account. Now that Randy is logged in, he can go ahead and say create Hall of Fame, and we can make a new one here. I'll say I want to make a Hall of Fame around, let's see, coding videos. How about that? So go ahead and hit create on that. It will instantly say, hey, go ahead and add some sort of new video to your coding videos. And so you can say, either A, go copy and paste a link to a YouTube video here and I will add it, or we have this nifty little search functionality. So I can say something like Python basics or something like that. And this will go out and grab YouTube videos and actually display them here. And you can say, oh yeah, this is the one that I love. If you hit this add button, then it's going to save it into your Hall of Fame. And look, there it is. So let's go ahead and add another video. I love iOS programming, so let's see if I can find some of my own videos on YouTube. I'll do Nick Walters Swift. Let's see if anything pops up there. Okay, making an iPhone app. Here we go. This one looks pretty good, so I'll go ahead and add that. And boom, look at that. We've got 2 videos inside of our Hall of Fame here. So with this, I can, you know, delete any of these if I'd like to. I can edit the title by going ahead and changing that. I can delete the whole Hall of Fame if I'd like to. That's also a possibility. My dashboard is where all of my Hall of Fames reside, so I can make multiple Hall of Fames and see them all here. But you can see if I click on a particular Hall of Fame, I can go share this URL with somebody, right? I can go, you know, copy this, paste it, and if I share it with someone who's not logged in, let me go ahead and log out here so you can see this. So log out, and I'm going to put back in that URL. Okay. Website, here we go. You can see coding video still exists. We just don't have those buttons to say like delete or add another video, right? Like now it's like, oh, okay. This is a Hall of Fame that you can share with somebody. So yeah, that's really the website in a nutshell. You saw the logout button. There's also a login button. It's going to do the same thing. Randy, let's log in here so you can see this. Great. So with this, with any of one of these videos, right, let's say inside of my coding videos, I'm like, you know what? I really don't like the Swift video. I can hit delete there. It's like, hey, are you sure you want to delete this? And boom, all of a sudden it's gone. Really, that's the full functionality of the site. So, like I said, this is, you know, more than just your hello world here. There's lots of different pieces going on. And really, I think personally, my favorite portion, and we'll see what you think, but I love this add video frame here because we can either take a YouTube URL and paste it in, and it will automatically go grab like the video's title and other metadata for us, or this search video will do all of it for us, and we use Ajax here to automatically grab that stuff. It's pretty fun. But enough of me just blabbing out here showing you what we're going to build. Let's start building this thing. Let's go ahead and jump in with pip env.